Hello everyone, what I'm going to be discussing today is expression and statement. This is a quick video only and I just want to share another info that I learned. Oh, and by the way, I just want to add, you see that I was using Ubuntu right now, but if you watch my previous video, I was using Kali. By the way, it doesn't matter what Linux distro are you using as long as it has Python installed in it. So let's begin. So just as I said, this will be about the difference between expression and statement. So let me create a file first and I'll name it, sorry, expression.py. So let's say we have this following example. Say we have apple with the price of 100 and tax 0.1 and total as 100 times 0.1, or rather apple times 0.1. On this example, this is the expression. You can consider expression as something that produces a value. So this apple times 0.1 is an expression, while statement is a entire line of code that performs some action. So you can consider this as a statement, but not this whole code as a statement. Rather, this entire line only. You might be asking what action is being done. The action is being done here is this apple times 0.1 is an action. Then the value of these are stored on this variable. So that is why it is called statement. So yeah, I think that's it, and that's quick, but I hope I was able to share something good again. Thank you and bye bye.